The second United Nations Global Sustainable Transport Conference concluded in Beijing on Saturday. Participants highly praised the results achieved by the conference, as well as China's practice in sustainable transport.
The conference is very important. Why is it important? Because you have chosen a very important topic. It's sustainable transportation. Transportation helps to be connected, and it helps to live somewhere and to commute to your offices, to your work, and it creates more job opportunities. But it has to be sustainable. We have to take care about environment, and this is the main message of this conference.
We have also seen that China is relying heavily, and again, every day more and more on electrical new energy vehicles, electrical vehicles as well. So this is a first step in the direction of a very sustainable transportation infrastructure in China.
I think China has quite an elaborate, well-developed transport system. We have a lot to learn from it, so we need more cooperation with China to develop the Ugandan transport system. There are people who should be sharing equal opportunities. We have a shared future. We should have shared development, a shared sustainable transport system, and shared life.
地球村的实现，很大程度上在于我们交通的这种强大的连接性、纽带性，使得我们人流、商流、物流、资金流和数据流能够更加流动的更加高效。在我们整个交通规划到交通的这个建设、到运营、到服务、到维修、到养护全过程，我们都可以进行绿色化的改造。中国的这个交通发展的经验和知识是可以和世界共同分享的，来推动全球的交通发展。
而你要实现这个绿色，怎么才能实现呢？要靠科技创新，就是数字化和智能化的升级。现在我们中央集团在我们主营的领域，包括港口啊，包括公路啊，包括桥梁啊，我们已经开始主导引领标准的制定，把我们的一些实践跟全世界跟更多的国家来进行分享。